To start with, I lightly sanded my tumbler because the surface was shiny. I then painted the entire base in a black acrylic paint. You can use any colour if you decide to paint your base, but I chose black as it will complement my theme. The resin I'll be using today is the Apex Quantum regular resin. This resin has a slightly longer work time than their fast set version, which means you have more time to work on the design. The next step is to place down your clear layer of resin. This layer will hold all of your inks and pigments. Next, I'm adding some alcohol inks, which then help the heavier pigments to flow. The colours also blend really nicely with any pastes or micas that you use. Next, I'm adding a variety of different pastes and micas. Just make sure at this stage not to add too much pigment. If you overdo the amount of pigment you put onto your tumbler, you could end up with an uneven cured coat, which is fixable but not ideal. A good tip here is to add a touch of heat. This helps your colours to blend and create some gorgeous patterns. You can also see here I'm changing the rotation of my turner. This is another good trick to help the colours blend. Now time for some sanding. Sanding is really important as it helps to smooth down your resin layer. It also helps the next layer of resin to adhere better. Wipe down thoroughly with a high percentage alcohol spray. This removes any dust, oils or impurities on your surface. You're then ready to go in with a new layer of resin. Again, I'm using the Apex Quantum regular resin for my final clear top coat. You can use my code MAMABEAR to save you 15% off your Apex resins. Use this code as often as you like. Here's the finished tumbler. I absolutely love her. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful, but do reach out if you have any questions.